What's up, everybody? Arty84 here, Wicked Explorers. So this is an interesting vlog we're doing today. So as you know, we are having a baby, and the baby is due in about 5 weeks. And in case you didn't know, we bought a house, and we closed on the house a week from Tuesday, and we're planning on moving in a couple weeks. So we have to move out of our apartment here in Revere and get everything ready for when we finally pack up for the move that's inevitably going to be pretty soon. So today, on our Sunday off from work, we decided we were going to just do lots of moving, getting stuff ready for moving, I should say. Not really moving. So today, this whole vlog is going to be basically, I did a time lapse of us packing up. So the time lapse is going to be basically us packing up the main components of our apartment, which is pretty crazy because we have a lot of crap. So enjoy it. It's not much of a vlog, but it's kind of cool to kind of see how everything goes. And yes, enjoy. Watch the time lapse. It's gonna be freaking crazy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that time lapse. As you said, we are moving, so some of the videos in the next couple of weeks are going to be kind of weird because we really haven't been doing much exploring because Suzi's pretty much been, stuck into bed and whatever. So, but we've been going to the archives of some of our old adventures and posting those as well. So if you see something from 15 years ago, that's why. Because we really can't really do any more exploring right now. We're kind of stuck for the next few weeks. So, but I hope you guys can bear with us and enjoy it. If you like the vlogs, please subscribe. We love when you subscribe. And if you really want to go to the next step, hit the little alarm button so you're notified every time we post a new one. And check us out on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. So thanks again, guys, and have a good one. Bye. The Wicked Explorers of Arty84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.